Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trend Micro Security on Windows 10, complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen.
In the search bar, type Control Panel and select it from the results.
Once the control panel is open, look for the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program under the Programs menu.
A list of installed programs will appear on your screen. Scroll down to find Trend Micro Security in the list.
Click on Trend Micro Security to select it.
Then, click the Uninstall button located at the top of the list. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall.
Click Yes to confirm the uninstallation process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Trend Micro Uninstaller. If prompted, restart your computer to complete the process.
After your computer restarts, ensure that Trend Micro Security is no longer listed in the Programs and Features section.
If needed, you can also use the Trend Micro Diagnostic Toolkit for a thorough removal. Download the toolkit from the official Trend Micro website. Follow the instructions in the toolkit to ensure all components are fully removed.
After verification, your system should be free of Trend Micro Security. You have now successfully uninstalled Trend Micro Security from your Windows 10 computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.